If you want to make Firefox safer and block more trackers while you browse, then this quick tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable enhanced tracking protection in Firefox and turn on the strict setting for maximum privacy across the web. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference by reducing ad tracking, cross-site tracking, and unwanted scripts as you move from site to site. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page where you can control privacy, security, and browsing preferences. On the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. This is where Firefox keeps all of its main protection and safety options, including tracking protection, cookies, passwords, and site permissions. Once you're in the privacy and security section, scroll until you find Enhanced Tracking Protection. You'll usually see Firefox's default protection options here, and this is the area we want to adjust. Now click Advanced Settings under Enhanced Tracking Protection. This will give you the more detailed protection choices instead of just the standard default setting. In the available options, choose Strict for maximum safety across the web. Strict mode blocks more trackers and gives you stronger privacy protection, which is great if you want Firefox to be more aggressive about stopping tracking activity. Just keep in mind that some websites may not work perfectly in strict mode, so if you ever run into a site issue, you can always come back and change the setting later. After selecting strict, you're all set. Firefox will now use stronger tracking protection while you browse, helping you keep more control over your privacy online. It's a fast change, it only takes a few clicks, and it's one of the easiest ways to improve your browser security right away. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Firefox tips, browser tutorials, and simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.